The war was lost on trade many years ago. You know, when they were saying, not a free trader, I said, no, the war was lost. But now we're going to win it. And because we have all the cards.
The United States and China escalated their trade war late this week, with both sides adding tariffs on each other's exports, launching what Beijing called the biggest trade war in economic history. The U.S. targeted $34 billion in Chinese products, while the Chinese retaliated with new tariffs on mostly agricultural goods. If the trade tiff continues, the Trump administration has threatened tariffs on 90% of the goods China exports to the United States. Erland Eck, a Beijing-based analyst who tracks Chinese policies, sees risk if the global supply chains of other countries or trading blocs are disrupted.
If a total global trade war breaks out, if the EU gets included and we see a lot of tit for tat, the Chinese have concluded that it might drop global trade with 70%. And that will affect not only their economy, but it will also affect their national security. Because China needs energy, they need food, and they're doing domestic reforms now to become more dependent on the global markets.
China, the world's second largest economy, purchases vast amounts of raw materials on world markets to feed its industrial base. But the country's consumption of raw materials limits its leverage in a short-term trade war.
The U.S. can impose tariffs on more Chinese products than China can do on the U.S. products. Therefore, if the trade war really starts and is broadened, China will not have enough capacity to resist the pressure.
China's stock market has dropped 12% in recent weeks, and the yuan has lost 3% against the dollar since April. Increased tariffs have darkened the balance sheets of American farmers. The 19% sell-off in soybeans over the last 5 weeks has pulled $100 per acre out of potential revenues for the coming crop. For Market to Market, I'm Peter Tubbs.